we are gonna play a game. Ladies and gentlemen, let's play screenshots game. Everyone has your own, all of the screenshot that you have taken from class since last year. It has been 1 year precisely since we had these online classes. Okay, last year, 2020. Since last year until now, I want to see all of the screenshots you have been taken. Pop quizzes on screenshots, that is. 3, 2, 1, go. Right, thank you, Kaden. Okay, Kaden, where are the rest of the screenshot, Kaden? I would like Gwenda to say stop or whichever screen that you want to know about it. Go ahead. And then Kaden will answer you. Okay, go ahead, Kaden.
2, if I'm correct, should probably be the same as these two, the questions.
Why so few?
And
Where do you keep all the screenshots?
I cannot find any pictures from last year.
Gwenda, go ahead. Which one you want to know?
The one on top. This one.
Wait, Gwenda.
You mean this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Gwenda, speak louder.
What do you learn from this lesson?
This one was the thing that I shared during the communication arts podcast that I went to from 31st March 2021. So apparently here they show a lot of presentation topics with the speakers, but the important part is the presentation topics. As you can see here, there are usually a few answers, like maybe this one, to the questions that they give. I mean, not all of them are answers, like these are definitely not answers, but they also give the titles, like from the titles they give, it's very obvious that they are going to teach us something.
Okay, right. At least you know what the slide is about. And okay, and why did you decided to take this shot? Why? What is so significant about it? Why you have to take this?
When I saw it, I just thought it might have been important, so I just took a picture of it just in case.
Oh.
Okay, at least he has reason why he took this screenshot. Okay.
Kaden, what is slide number 17?
17?
That I did.
Okay.
What is slide number 17? Can I see?
Oh yeah, it's interesting. Oh yeah, what is it?
When I first did this, apparently I heard that we needed to do some sort of reflection. So with that time, because I heard of the reflection, so I decided to do about the activities that we did so far.
Okay, not bad, Kaden. You know your
Okay. At least he put in a time frame report.
That is the only thing I think I can see, that he designed it by himself.
Yeah.
Not just a snapshot from Misu's slides.
Good job. Good job. Next person, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kai Yan. All right. Good. And I would like Tan Zishen to ask Kai Yan.
What is this poem about?
This poem is about a garden. What there would be in a garden. Anything else you want to know?
Why are you learning baby?
Yeah, I would want to know that.
Yeah. You can learn more difficult than this. Why on earth you learn this?
Yeah. Why do you have that? Isn't that for the lower levels?
Yeah, but I am helping the Saturday 4 p.m. class.
Okay, still, why do you have to write that down? Why do you have to save that down?
I screenshot this because I had to go into the breakout. I had to go into the breakout room to help the kids with this poem.
And why taking that screenshot important?
So that like I can show them what I can show them the
poem.
The poem.
So it's a copy of your screen share, in other words.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay. Good job. Done. The
Okay,
next person,
satisfactory.
please.
Satisfactory.
For the next lesson, all of you need to get a pen drive or USB drive like this. This is how I keep things. Friday, 8 p.m. You understand, guys? Right? You have 100. You show us all 100. Don't tell me it's with your mom computer, your dad computer. No excuse. You are not a baby. No. You should know by now that at this level, in these days and age, you should have this thing. What is this thing called? What is this thing called?
USB.
Yeah. From now on, this moment onward, I want you to compile, organize all your screenshot, your theories, your study journal, organize them systematically. It's just like your wardrobe. It's just like your closet. You separate jacket, you separate underwear, you separate handkerchief, you separate your socks. You don't mix all the things piled up like that, and how you gonna find things?
It would be easier if you could get a new pen drive and only use it for our things, nothing else.
Yeah.
It doesn't have to
Labels.
be a very big pen drive, just 8 gigs or 16 gigs is more than enough.
Yeah.
Yes.
Those are quite cheap nowadays, probably around 20 ringgit, 30 ringgit around there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you can get an 8 for 30, I think.
Please
Alright,
label,
okay.
okay? Label your name on it. This is what's gonna happen. Okay, from now on, if you don't have label, we will leave it aside. We won't look at it at all. All the written work must have the heading with your name on it.